Good morning, students. Welcome to Maths online class. I'm Kiran, your Maths teacher, and today I will be teaching you all as to how to reduce the given fractions into their lowest form. Children, without wasting much of our time, let's get started. Let us consider one example here, children. 204 divided by 238. To reduce the given fractional number into its lowest form, we need to divide both the numbers, that is, the number in the numerator and the number in the denominator, by one number. That is, the number in the numerator and the number in the denominator should be divisible by one number. Both the numbers should go in one table. Now, how will you know whether both the numbers will go in one table? Children, we need to observe the last digits of the given number. Here, the last digit of 204 is 4 and the last digit of 238 is 8. 4 and 8 both are even numbers. If we get to see both the numbers are even, then they will be divisible by 2, 4, 6 and 8. Children, we will divide the given number by 2. Children, if we divide 204 by 2, the answer would be 102. And if you divide 238 by 2, the answer would be 119. So children, let's cut both the numbers and divide them by 2. So 204 divided by 2 is 102 and 238 divided by 2 is 119. Now children, 102 and 119, both the numbers are not divisible by any single number. So we should stop here. So our answer is 102 divided by 119. Now children, let us consider one more example here. 315 divided by 432. Like I said, we should observe the last digits of the given numbers. So, the last digit of 315 is 5 and the last digit of 432 is 2. Children, here the last digits both are not the same. One is even and one is odd. In such cases, the numbers would be divisible by 3, 7 and 9. Let us divide the given numbers by 3, children. So 315 divided by 3 is 105 and 432 divided by 3 is 144. Let us cut the numbers and divide by 3, children now. 315 divided by 3 is 105 and 432 divided by 3 is 144. Now children, let us see whether the reduced number is further divided by any other number. Since the last digits are one even and one odd number, we will try with 3 again. Children, if we divide 105 by 3, the answer would be 35. And if we divide 144 by 3, the answer would be 48. Children, let's cut the number now and divide by 3. 105 divided by 3 is 35 and 144 divided by 3 is 48. Children, after reducing the number 105 and 144, we got the number 35 by 48, which is further not divisible by same number. That means we should stop here now. So, the reduced form of 315 divided by 432 is 35 by 48. Now let us recall, children. To reduce the given fraction into its lowest terms, we have to divide both the numerator and denominator by a single digit. You cannot divide them by different digits. Observing the last digits would help us to know as to in which table the given numbers are divisible. Children, if both the given numbers are not divisible by a single digit, that means we cannot reduce them to their lowest form and we should stop dividing them. Hope, children, you understood as to how to reduce the given fractions into their lowest terms. Thank you.